वेलकम टू यू. पुन्हा एकदा तुम्हा सर्वांचे आमच्या या इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कोर्स शिरोडा युट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये स्वागत आहे. आणि पुन्हा एकदा या ठिकाणी हे सर्वजण आहेत. हिअर आर न्यू लर्नर्स अँड दे आर हिअर. yesterday I told them I will take your group discussion. That's why they are here. They are curious to participate. And hello, listen here. You know about today's your group discussion, and now I will give you something, some extraordinary topic. You know about in our day-to-day life, knowledge is important. Without knowledge, we can't survive, or we can't survive. Okay, we are in 21 era, and this is AI generation. So you require in every field's knowledge. Got it? But in other way, knowledge is not only important. You require confidence. Without confidence, you can't survive your life. If you have confidence, then only you can express your opinion front of other. You can put your views front of others. Okay, you get stage daring. If you have confidence, then only you can get stage daring. So here required means here group discussion topic is confidence versus knowledge. You have to put your views. Do you want time for thinking? Do you want time for thinking? Yes or no? No. Okay, so you first you give your short introduction and then start. On which side would you like to talk?
I would like to pick knowledge.
Knowledge. You?
My side is knowledge.
Knowledge. So you sit here and you have to give your short introduction. Okay.
Hello friend, my name is Saurabh Sunil Pendekar. I am from Malgaon. I am in 10th standard. I have completed 1 week. My debate is confidence and knowledge. My side is confidence and another side is knowledge.
Hello everyone, my name is Bhumi Uday Parab. I am in 7th standard. I am learning in English speaking course Shiroda. I have completed 1 month here. Today we are going to debate. The topic is knowledge versus confidence. My side is knowledge and the other side is confidence. Hello friends, my name is Sarthak. I fifth in the class. I am in fifth class. I live in Malgaon. I have completed 1 week. My side is knowledge.
So I want to say you something that they have completed here 1 week. So they are new learners and may they commit some mistakes. So ignore their mistakes and cheer up them. Okay. So now you have to talk confidently. Don't think about your mistakes. Just forget it. You are front of the camera. Okay. Confidently you talk.
If you have confidence, then you crack exam in any interviews confidently. You can say said your opinion front of all peoples. Also you can talk you can said strong points front of examiners. They so speakers there maintain their confidence.
So as you told that you require confidence in our day-to-day life. If you have confidence, then you can talk. You can express your opinion in front of others. Okay, am I right? Yes. Fast.
I take objection that he said that in interview that confidence should have and you can crack an interview, but you need knowledge to tell. Interviewer asks the questions that about knowledge is what knowledge do you have. Then if you have confidence you can tell, but what you can tell it's important.
Yes. If you have knowledge, then only means with the help of knowledge, confidence creates.
Yes.
Am I right? You have knowledge, then only you can tell answer confidently. Okay. You take next.
Okay. Knowledge is very important for knowledge is very important for everyone. You can create an masterpiece and sell it, like, and creativity created by your ideas. Some crafted craft ideas. You can create any product and sell it and get money. And it is like useful. And you can keep classes if you have knowledge. You are graduated. You can keep classes and give some students knowledge. Some students have problems for going schools. If you have knowledge, you can tell the you can spread knowledge to students. You can give knowledge that some little more knowledge is important for students, that makes us clever. Students start curious curious that they become curious, then they are smart.
They become smart.
That they become smart, they need knowledge, but some are having problems. So you should give classes, keep classes for students. And you can help detectives or police
With the help of knowledge.
with the help of knowledge. That in some cases also police and detectives needed knowledge. Some knowledge if you have, you can tell the detectives or help in any cases that can help, that can solve any hard problem.
So she told first point that if you have knowledge, then you can open our own academy. You can you can provide knowledge. Okay. Second point, if you have knowledge, then you can create some products and sell it. With the help of knowledge, you can open your own business. And third point, she told with the help of knowledge means you can provide your knowledge, precious knowledge to detective team, or you can involve also in detective career, detective field. Am I right? Yes, this all will happen with the help of knowledge. Okay.
I objection your point. He said. He said.
She said.
She said. mm, uh, if you have knowledge, then we make business and selling products. If you have don't knowledge,
If you don't have.
if you don't have knowledge, if you don't have confidence, then do not at do not
Can't. You can't.
you can't there selling products and anything. Second point is you she said make a classes and with the help of knowledge,
Or
but if you don't have confidence, then if then you don't control, you don't you can't their control their students, and teaching confidently,
very
teaching confidently.
some students are
some
nice.
some students are noise some students are noise, then
Some
control
students are
them.
making noise.
Some students are making noise. How can you control? I say my point is
Means he told that if you have knowledge, then you can open your own business. But if you don't know how to talk with customers, so how can you attract the customer? Also in second point, I have observed also some students are noisy, making create naughtiness. Some students are making naughtiness. So how can you control them? But only confidence is not required there, no. Some ideas and tricks are useful. Some students are making means misbehave, or some students are making noise. So that time as a teacher we required some ideas to apply on them. Am I right?
To create I am objection so
Then after take you might.
with help of with help of knowledge solve any uh, any big problem. Knowledge is very important in life. It is make a good direction. It help us learn new things.
Very good, excellent.
uh, Knowledge is smart.
With the help of knowledge
With help of knowledge
आपण बनतो,
we come
we become
we become
very smart.
very smart. it's it helps it helps it helps in our day to day night
Life.
life.
If you have confidence, then yes.
Talk. Say something. Your point is freely tell, confidently talk. Don't fear. Confidently say what you remember that you tell.
Confident turn knowledge into action,
Yeah.
but don't have
परत कळलं. Turn into action. काय बोलतोस?
confident turn knowledge into action. More people have knowledge, but only
Don't have.
only don't have confidence. You don't have confidence, and confident youth actually use it.
कळलंय मला. मराठीत बोलायचं आहे. Ready for ready next. पुढे.
I was telling that online you can sell it online, the products
If you
and
don't have confidence, then you can listen. If you don't have
Have
confidence, then you can
confidence.
say.
online. If you don't have confidence, have fear, that you can sell it online.
Yeah, if you have fear to talk, so you can. She's talking. You can sell through online.
Yes, and yours telling that when the children are making noise, some nonsenses, that you can have some tricks from knowledge how to be maintain silent,
Yeah, how to keep control.
how to keep control on students. That I was my now my point. Having knowledge is good. You if you are graduated, you get you can meet any big person, celebrity. You can be anything. You can complete your dream, your parents dream, and impress your parents or family. And you can create a big business,
Yeah.
and you can earn money. And if some students are unable to get classes, they should you can make videos on social medias.
You can keep videos on social media.
You can post on social medias that some students are able to just watch videos
And learn something.
and learn
They get
something
motivation
from it, and get some motivation from that, that they become smart. And they can score well on exam, get some knowledge here, and spreading some knowledge to other students is a good. So I tell them.
Dog. 6 o'clock. Yes.
Confidence improve their communications, improve their communication. We should have confidence in day to day life, in every moment. If you have confidence, then if you have confidence, then earn money,
Very excellent. Yeah.
then earn money and and, and teach them
Teach to students.
and teach to students how earn money,
How to earn money.
how to earn money.
Very
So,
excellent. Talk about complete.
It helps studies
In study.
in study. It's make help interviews.
Very good interview. Knowledge helps.
Knowledge helps
in interview.
interviews.
झाले की आहेत? झाले की आहेत कोण? आहेत?
It help knowledge power knowledge is
You talk. Talk. प्रार्थना सी.
yes, some old peoples are not having knowledge. They are not completed. They are not graduated. Some your grandpas or any old people, you can teach the knowledge. You
They-
can spread it, and that
You're talking about we can teach them knowledge. We can give them knowledge.
yes, some
Academic knowledge.
that they can know something from it. That they can be anything for it. If someone asks, or children ask, that they can tell it. For it, it is useful. It is useful in everything. Without knowledge, you can't talk or speak.
Yeah, you can't be
In interviews, in schools, in college, in works place, need knowledge. Is everything is created with knowledge.
if you have confidence, then talk about many people's talk about many people confidently, talk about if you have confidence, then we get many prizes and big gets
and we can आपण स्पोर्ट मध्ये कॉन्फिडेंट खेळू शकतो.
we can play confidently in sports. we can we can we can make videos in public place.
Very good, excellent. Yeah.
We can do we can sell anything
With confidence.
with confidently.
Okay, very
Okay.
good. So you talk finish. So you talk. He talked very well, and before he was fearing, no? Yes. Okay. So you talk really well. Okay. So you have given your good points. All completed your point. Yeah. Okay. But in next video session, I want more improvement from you. Okay. So you have to talk confidently in next video session. Understood? Now you talk well. You have tried here well. Also, he's in 5th standard and means at least he's ready to present here. Got it? To perform his debate means his side. So I really appreciate him. Okay, and once again thanks, and thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe. Now thank you.